Today we're going to be gathering up the materials to make a RV temp power pole. One, not just for RVs, because I am going to be building a shop out here, and I'm going to need power for that. But two, I have two RVs. I have, oh gosh dang it, I got this one. I'm going to sell this one though, but I'm going to work on it and would like to have power. And two, I have this fifth wheel. That's our main RV, and I would just like to have power for these, just to keep them warm in the winter. I got a friend storing one over here, so I don't know if you can see it. It's probably behind the big fifth wheel. So I got a 4x4 pole I need. Let's find that first. Oh, there we go. Get this thing. Open up the tailgate. We'll get this in it. Oh. Got that in there. Now the other box is where I have the electrical box and everything. It's a mess in here, so don't judge me. All right. I think it's be this box. I got it marked electrical. Yeah. So there. All right. We got it loaded in the truck. Like I said, my neighbor gave me most of the material for this, and he's an electrician. And so he kind of helped me design it. Gave me the wire and everything. I really appreciate it. So I should have built it before now, but now I need it. So of course I always wait to the last minute to build it. All right, let's get back to the house and get everything unloaded. That we have this flipped around, we can bring the bulkhead and everything over here. It's gonna go about like that. And honestly, I would like it probably down the pole, and that box needs to come over just a hair. It is touching this pole, and I want it to be flush and even. So let's redo the other box again. So let's flip it over and see if that'll work. I think that will work. Maybe not. That's better. Still might take forever, but it's gonna be good. We'll see once we get it in there, but oh, all right. All right, my screws came off, so I'm going to have to go fix that. I still have it here fixed, so. Let's get that. That's a perfect height, I think. So let's go get my drill and some screws and we'll get it fixed. Now that we have got the panel built, there's a couple things I need to finish on it, but right now let's get the concrete in the hole, get it set, and we will go from there. guys, let's tighten up this one. All right, got that. I found it. I ordered one, but I knew I had it. So, and my neighbor said he gave me it. So I'm glad I found it. So let's get this installed. All right, it's done. All right, so this project is done. It's got to call for inspection. Get power ran to it,